I don't know why I do this to myself, but I got another mystery box. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys. There are a couple things in here that I did pick out, and I will tell you when I pull one of them out. Okay, you guys can't see it, but I'm definitely opening the box. Whoa! I have been dying to get this. Okay, I looked online and they kept saying that they were out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. And I was like, I just want this one. This one I am in love with. I've been wanting to get this one forever too. I've seen it from multiple shops. I don't know if there's enough here to make like a full outfit. We'll see. Okay, this one I've actually seen a lot too, but I never actually had the desire to buy it. But I don't mind it. Like, I don't think it's a bad one at all. I think it's a cute print. I think I could make something really easily with that. It's another floral. It's not too bad. I kind of actually like that it has like a black and white and a color element to it. I don't think that these are full yards. No, that one's a full yard. But this is supposed to be technically like a scrap pack. So I don't think all of them are full yardage. This, I don't even know what this is. I don't know what to do with this one. This one's a little bit out of my element, out of my comfort zone. That is gonna be a very interesting piece of clothing. Oh, this is a pretty color. I like this color. It's like a coral. I don't know if you can see the color. I approve. I don't really like this one as much. I wouldn't wear something like this, I don't think. So I may use it for like demonstrations or just whatever you need scraps for. Or maybe I'll give it to someone. I am lace obsessed and I love this. It's a stretch lace, which is perfect since I usually use knit fabric for all of my sewing. And this is so pretty. This is a really good mystery box. I'm excited. Okay, this one I did order. So I picked out this one. It is a little bit out of season now since we're heading into spring. However, I did buy it with next fall, winter in mind. So this one will probably sit on the shelf for a while. This is one I also ordered. It's just a standard white because I love having that on hand. Also one I ordered. It's a pretty woven, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got like a fun texture on it. Another mystery. Not a huge fan of this one. I don't really know what I'll do with it either. I actually kind of like this one. It's similar to the red one that I pulled out a few minutes ago. It is a knit. Oh, it's like a French terry. But it's not very stretchy. It's not as stretchy as French terry as I'm used to. This is another French terry, I think. It's also not as stretchy as I am used to, but it's a solid black, and I always have a use for solid black. So there's a big fat hole cut out of it. Probably because it's a scrap. Okay, this one I ordered. This is a plum double brushed poly. More black because I ordered it. This is another double brushed poly, and I did order this one. What am I gonna do with that? This is like a snakeskin print, and it is not one that I think I will ever use. And then this is the last bit. This one I did order, and this is a black rayon spandex. And there are 4 yards here, so this is a lot of fabric. Okay, so my favorites from this mystery bundle, get rid of that box, are these ones. So I have the pretty floral, coral, and that rhymed, and this fun plaid, and the neon, which I'm super happy about. And the stretch lace because I'm obsessed with it. So that's my mystery box with a few things that I did know about. I'm really pleased with this mystery box, and I don't usually say that because every time I've gotten a mystery box in the past, it's always been like fabric that I kind of hated. So I'm excited that this one actually turned out to be good. We'll see if I have enough yardage to actually make anything out of it since it was a scrap pack. I hope you guys had fun watching this. Okay, bye.